Hi creators, we have good news for you. We have just updated our Audio Magic plugin that can create a fantastic image with background music. Following new things are possible now. Drag and drop of images. A canvas where you can put images over one image. Attach different sound files to each of the image. Let me show how these new features work in the new Audio Magic plugin. Just keep watching. After the installation of the plugin, you will find the audio image menu in the WordPress dashboard. Click on the Advance option. Now, drag the image on the canvas to create a new canvas image. We have added new images, like 3 different birds, a monkey and a fruit image over the canvas image of tree. Now, right-click on each image and add an audio narration. Then click Save. You can change the background color of the image by choosing the color. At last, hit the Create Image Canvas button. Now, put the name, fix image size and select the format of the image. That's it. You have successfully created a canvas image. Your canvas will be stored in the All Audio Images menu. Let's copy the shortcode. Add this short code to any post or page and publish the post. Let us view how the page looks and behaves. So, when a visitor comes to this published page and hovers his cursor, specific sound file will run automatically. Monkey is a common name that may refer to most mammals of the parrots are birds of all colors that usually originate from a warm habitat. This is Apple 1. Monkey is a common name that may refer to most mammals of the infraorder Simiformes. All parrots are birds of all colors that usually originate from a... Isn't it great? So, thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this plugin, please check the video description for the plugin link and do not forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates.